Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our beginner English course. This is lesson 11. Today, we will learn animals in English. First, we will learn some animal names. Then, we will practice pronunciation and spelling. Finally, we'll practice speaking. Let's begin. This is a dog. Repeat after me. Dog. Now, spelling. D O G. Dog. This is a cat. Repeat after me. Cat. Now, spelling. C A T. Cat. This is a bird. Repeat after me. Bird. Bird. Now, spelling. B I R D. Bird. This is a fish. Repeat after me. Fish. Now, spelling. F I S H. Fish. Well done. Now, let's review. Repeat after me. Dog. Cat. Bird. Fish. Very good. Look at the picture. What is this? This is a dog. Next. This is a cat. Well done. You're doing very well. Let's continue. This is a cow. Repeat after me. Cow. Now spelling. C O W. Cow. This is a horse. Repeat after me. Horse. Now spelling. H O R S E. Horse. This is a lion. Repeat after me. Lion. Now spelling. L I O N. Lion. Very good. This is an elephant. Repeat after me. Elephant. Now spelling. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Small tip. We say a dog, a cat, a lion, but an elephant. We use an before vowel sounds. Let's review all animals. Repeat after me. Dog, cat, bird, fish, cow, horse, lion, elephant. Excellent. Repeat after me. This is a dog. This is a cat. This is an elephant. Very good. Now, what is this? This is a lion. Next, this is a fish. Next, this is a horse. Great job. Today we learned animal names in English. Practice these words every day. If you want to continue learning English step by step, watch the next lesson in the playlist. See you in the next lesson. Bye.